Chúc mừng năm mới. Gong hai Fat Choy. Alright, what's up guys? What's up Mukbang? So today is a very special day. We got a special video. It is Vietnamese, aka Lunar, and Chinese New Year. I'm actually Vietnamese, so I'm just gonna refer to this as Vietnamese New Year. But yeah, we're gonna do a special mukbang for you guys. We're gonna eat some traditional Vietnamese cuisine, New Year feast for you guys. And yeah, let's do it. Alright, so let me give you guys a little bit of background to all my subscribers who don't know about Vietnamese New Year. So it's all about, you know, that luck, that fortune, that success, and that money. If you know about Vietnamese and Chinese New Year's. Chinese and Vietnamese people are very superstitious, so everything we have here is all about that feng shui, that energy you bring into the new year, you know? Like these chrysanthemum flowers. Yellow and red for the Vietnamese colors. But yeah, this dish in Vietnamese is called Thit Hope Ga. Hope you see this? Look at this right here. So it's basically braised pork and egg stewed in this special secret homemade sauce. It's actually not a sauce, it's like a stew. Yeah, it's like a stew, and everyone makes it differently. The Chinese version is a little bit sweeter in my opinion, but this is the Vietnamese version, a little bit more savory. And I'm pretty sure this is pork loin, but Alex seems to think that this is pork belly. But yeah, no, I think this is pork loin. I'm pretty sure it's pork loin. And then this is the bitter melon soup. So this one also has a little story behind it, which I'm going to enlighten you right now. So the bitter melon soup, it's actually not one of my favorite dishes. It's stuffed bitter melon. It's really bitter and the soup is bitter. But the reason why you eat it on Chinese and Vietnamese New Year is because in Vietnamese it's called Canh Hua, or Canh Hua, which means let the sorrows fade away. So basically when you eat it, it's really bitter, and that bitter taste in your mouth, you gotta just, you know, take it one time and then let it go. And then the new year, 2020, you get that clear vision. And you know, all the good fortunes roll in. So yeah, we're about to taste it. We got Alex behind the camera. He has never tasted this before, so we're gonna use him as our little guinea pig. Let's eat. So we gotta get the traditional little Chinese rice plates right here. Vietnamese, Chinese, whatever. Rice plates to eat with the rice. I use, you know, my chopsticks because it's Vietnamese New Year. Alright, I'm gonna serve Alex first because he's really hungry. So let me show you how I like to do this. I like to put the egg in right here, and I like to put the sauce right here into the rice to lather the rice up with some moisture. It's kind of like a soup, but not really. And give him a little bit of this pork. The bowl is small, so you gotta give him a little piece right here. Alright, so I prepared Alex the perfect bowl, so I'm gonna do the same for me. Put it in my bowl, put my thing right here. I'll put a little bit of sauce, looking like a boss. It's like, I like shredded pork, almost like barbacoa. With Vietnamese style. Wow. Pork is pretty moist. My mom cooked all this, by the way. This is authentic, homemade, good luck Vietnamese New Year meal. The homemade pot of the bitter melon soup. This one right here is a Thit, which is the Vietnamese Chinese style egg and braised pork. So after we eat this, we are ready for the new year, and me and Alex will have luck for centuries to come and good fortune. Also, if you guys don't know about Vietnamese New Year, we have these things called red envelopes or licis, and part of our tradition is we receive the red envelopes from our elders, and they contain money in it. So they pass us on the money and we wish them good fortune, and it's like a equal exchange, you know. And as a matter of fact, guess who's older than me? Alex here is. He's older than me by 1 year, so you know, I'm gonna be expecting a red envelope from Alex after this meal. Right, Alex?
No.
Yeah, funny. Honestly, this is the first day after my mom made it, so all the, you know, marinade hasn't really sunk into the meat and the egg yet. But some people like it this way, and I think it's good either way. So yeah, if this were to stew for another 1 or 2 days, which is meant to, it would be very, very saucy. Yeah, guys. So we are consuming all the good fortune into us right now. So I know what the bitter melon soup means. I explained to you. So how I would rationalize this is, maybe the egg means like a new beginning and a fresh start. You know, that's why you eat the eggs, and the pork, representative of, you know, pigs. And pig in Asian folklore and culture is known to be a very lucky animal. Sometimes when you walk into a Chinese or Vietnamese establishment, you'll see like a little pig outside. It's supposed to represent, you know, good food, wealth, and health, you know, the belly. This is what we're trying to get, the wealth belly. So on to our next dish. I'm gonna have Alex try this one because he hasn't tried it before, and we're gonna get his reaction, but I'm gonna try it first. So yeah, like I said before, the bitter melon soup is supposed to, you know, let out all the bitterness we experienced in the last year, and take it all in and release it, so we can, you know, have that good energy for 2020 with that clear vision. See this? Look. This is the bitter melon right here. For all you bitter people out there, you guys need some bitter melon. So I'm gonna try the soup, guys. It's actually not as bitter as I thought. Maybe the melon will be more. This bitter melon is actually stuffed in meat. It's actually not too bad. Maybe because I experienced it before. You know, it's actually in the soup. I gotta take a little more of the soup. There it is. That's all the bitterness. But you know what? We're gonna let it fade away. It's pretty good. It's a bitter melon stuffed with grounded pork. Not bad.
Try this sucker. Try the sucker out. Not bad.
Is it bitter?
Expecting more bitter. Yeah, it's pretty bitter.
I actually don't like it bitter though, but taste the bitter melon with the pork.
See how this one is. Nice kick. Nice kick.
Is it bitter or no?
Yes, it is. It's very bitter.
Do you feel the good luck coming on now after the bitter melon? Do you feel your body filling up with fortune?
I feel lots of wealth in life, in spirit, and everything in life.
Oh shoot. I guess this meal is working, guys. We feel the big energy coming. So yeah, we're gonna finish up with this meal. Hope you guys enjoyed it and enjoyed the little, if you guys aren't familiar with Vietnamese New Year, the little knowledge that I provided here. And yeah, we're gonna finish and take in all this good wealth, health, knowledge, fortune, success, money. What else, Alex?
Manifestation.
Manifestation. So, Chúc mừng năm mới. That means Happy New Year's in Vietnamese. And Gong hai Phat Choy. Gong si Phat Sai. That's the Cantonese way to say it, or vice versa. But yeah, I hope you guys experience great health, wealth, and fortune in 2020 and get that clear vision. Deuces. Subscribe for more content, like this video, and stay tuned for more content in 2020.